Thank you so much. Wow. I get the one time, okay. I need to check. Unfuna, I need to almost when I work. So for this panel, on the diaspora, I want to invite him. I can see him online, but if he's hearing us, we want Mr. Chris Mbaekwe Jr. to speak to the audience. Mbaekwe, are you there? Especially as it concerns security. Now we need here. The panel will do justice to it.
We also have to recognize these people on security in the person of Mr. Ogidi Town. A wonderful round of applause, sir. You are welcome. DJ, let's